Hi sir, good morning po. My name is Rita Patacay po and I'm a representative from the National Printing Office po. What's your name, sir?
John Paul Mariano.
Pleasure to meet you po, Mr. John Mariano. We only have 3 questions po. Para lang po sa namin, in compliance to ARTA ease of doing business po. First question po is, how was your overall service experience po?
For now is okay naman po yung service na pinaprovide po sa aking customers. Mabilis ang transaction and goods naman pa ang service.
Number 2 question po is, were you able to complete your transaction within the expected time?
On time naman po siya yung transaction lang yan. Nakakomply naman po yung service.
And were you treated with courtesy and guided throughout the process? May nag-a-assist po ba sa inyo? Magalang naman po ba sila habang ina-assist kayo, gina-guide kayo kung paano po yung process po kung saan po yung susunod na kunyari, sa window 1 ka, saan yung susunod, sa window 2 ka na ba, ganyan po.
Approachable naman po sila pagdating po sa mga steps by step. So, nag-guide naman po kami ng mga customers.
Ayun lang po. Wala naman ako kaming next question. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.